Hello and welcome. I'm making a small video on simple propositions. So we are covering four type for first year BA LLB elementary logic exams. This is a very quick video and a small video. So there are four types. One is subjectless proposition. In subjectless proposition, there is no subject in this. So it is snowing, but where? It is snowing in Kashmir, we don't know. So where it is snowing, we don't know. So it is subjectless proposition. So they will ask us to identify it. So we have to state that it is subjectless proposition, and they'll also tell us to symbolize it, both. Next is time flies. Whose time flies? Where does it fly? We don't know. There's no subject. So we just symbolize it with a alphabet Q or with P. We can use the same alphabets also. It doesn't matter. But if there are three statements, then we better to use different alphabets for different subjectless propositions. This is a very simple one. The sun is shining. Again, it's a subjectless proposition, R. So you get the hang of it. It is cold outside, but where? We know outside, but outside where? It's midnight. In which place? We don't know. So we just symbolize it with T. It's a very simple one for subjectless proposition. Then there is subject predicate proposition. This is symbolized using the implication sign, implies or conditional sign. Mary is intelligent. Symbolization M implies I. That is, if there is intelligence, it indicates to Mary. So Mary is intelligent. Where M is Mary, I is intelligent. We have to just write it in this way. The cake is delicious. C implies D. If this is a cake, it is delicious. The book is interesting. Same way. The standardized format. So I'm not going into all of them. We got the gist of it. I'll move forward. Relational proposition. So in this, we can symbolize it using the R. R stands for relation as per our elementary logic book. And X and Y are the individual statements inside that. So let's take one. Alice is taller than Bob. So R A B, where R, this is the standard format, R X Y, means X is taller than Y. We have to state this, R X comma Y, which means X, and also indicate which means X is taller than Y. So this itself means, so then when we say A is taller than B, means Alice is taller than B. Also we have to state what A, all these will be in the capital letters. A means Alice, B and B is Bob. So just by stating this, we can say the relation between A and B is A is taller than B, A is Alice, means Alice is taller than Bob. So this is how we symbolize the simple proposition. The car is faster than bike. R C B, where R X Y means X is faster than Y. So we just state that it is faster. What is the relation? X is the capital of Y. X is denser than Y. And just state the variables also. C stands for car, capital C. B stands for bike, and so on. Next is class membership proposition. John is a student. Now student is a class. And John is a member of this class. So the membership is represented by this symbol. Similarly, for mammal is a class, flower is a class, marine animals is a class, animals is a class, yes, and novel is a class. So the book is a member of the class novel. Dolphin is a member of the class marine animals. Rose is a member of the class flower. So you got the hang of this. So we just have to symbolize it and say that it's a class membership proposition if they ask us for the proposition type. So there are four of them: class membership, relational proposition, subject predicate, and subjectless. Okay, we'll also look at few of the different substitute words for the A, E, I, O proposition type in this video. A stands for all, every, each. any, always, whatever, invariably, necessarily, or absolutely. E type proposition starts with no, never, none, not at all, not a single, or not even one. I, affirmative sentences which starts with some, most, many, a few, certain, almost all but one, several, mostly, generally, frequently, often, perhaps, nearly all, always, sometimes, occasionally. Negative sentences with few, seldom, hardly, scarcely, or rarely. So all of these words can come as substitute words for the proposition type. For the O proposition type, when A is denied, we get O. So when affirmative sentences which contain words indicating I are denied, we get O. In addition, affirmative sentences with the words few, seldom, hardly, scarcely, or rarely are O proposition type. The words few, seldom, etc. have negative significance. Thank you very much. Best of luck for your exams.